Whee! Dada! Hey, watch out, Dada! Da! Dada, luckily she was holding or else she gonna drop down. Dada forgot lang ka. Agoy. Okay, Dada will do. Ride again lang ka. Ride. Dada will hold you. Oh, she's already scared. Scared. Dada, you forget her. Luckily she was holding or else she already... Gonna bang her head. My goodness. Okay, go. Hold lang ka. Hold. Stand up. Stand up. Stand. Yeah. And go step. Go, look, there's a slide there. Go up in the slide. She don't trust anymore, Dada. Yeah, it seems so. She's scared. Have a look. She did. It's okay. Wait. Yeah.
Why did you cut it? Because you were scared?
Digging. It's too big for her. Digging.
Hold. Too small for him.
It's too big for her.
It's heavy.
It's not her size. Oh, there's a lot of nuts here, huh? It might come into my head. Yeah, I will.